G'day, here's a parcel of beginner material from Lightning Ridge. Some of the pieces have nice colour in it, others have got clay, and there's even a few pieces of just clay. As you can see, there's a rule that's in millimetres. The material's been wetted. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. The rule's in millimetres. I'll just move the parcel around a bit so you get an idea. You can stop it at any time if you want to look at something in particular. As you can see, there is some clay amongst it, but the deal has been priced on the overall value of the material, not on weight, so I haven't charged you for the clay. As you can see, there's a lot of material there. It varies in size a fair bit. There's pieces of, like this piece, honey potch. It's got a bit of a flash in it that might facet. But there's not a lot of it. There's other pieces that are just opalized clay. And then there's other pieces like this that are clay with the seam of opal going through it. There's knobby material, seam material through it. But then there's other pieces, a few bits of potch. In saying that, don't forget to cut it across, because it sometimes, quite often, comes into colour. And there's other pieces like this that are little stones. Bit of colour going through the middle here. Piece of crystal. Anyway, I'm going to randomly pick pieces out, make up smaller parcels. There's a little bit with nice bright colour. Pity it's only just a show there. But that's what you're looking at. Bit of a mixture. Good practice material. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.